What is going on out there, peeps? All right, so again, I was strolling through and reading the news in Vietnam as usual. The situation in Vietnam is not the same as what's going on in Iraq. Vietnam continues to impress me with all of the investment opportunities that are out there. It really does. And to me, it seems like the right investment outside of the currency. Because if I don't mention that, then people are like, oh, then you have no faith in the dong. No, that's not what I said. I'm looking beyond that. I'm looking at once I get my return on my investment into the currency and I have my money, how do I make my money work for me? I'm just going to go right back over to Vietnam. Real estate is the key over there. Man, I can't stress this enough. And they're relaxing a lot of their laws and restrictions and regulations when it comes to foreign investments. So, hell yeah. Vietnam is one of those places that I want to invest in. Okay? Having said that, let's talk about Money Metals Exchange. They're part of our family. I will leave a link in the description. You guys have no clue how many of you shot on over there and started buying precious metals, as you should, because I'm going to show you another article pertaining to those individuals over in Vietnam dealing with gold and silver. There is a worldwide shortages coming up, and I think what they're doing is trying to keep people from investing into gold and silver, giving us some stupid excuse like, oh, we got a coin shortage because of the Rona. No, we all know that gold and silver is going to revalue. And anybody and everybody hold on to either one of those precious metals is going to really, really benefit from that. I can't stress that enough. For you first-time buyers going over to Money Metals and you spend more than $100 on precious metals, you will have a chance to put in a promo code Pimpy, Pimpy. Put it in there, and you will earn a free half ounce of silver. Wait till you see where that's going. We have Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we talk about investment opportunities, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. Nothing else. There are people who keep bringing in political things in here. I keep removing you. Bring that over to here, which is known as the hidden things in front of your eyes. In here, we talk about NESARA, GESARA, current events, political things, and some things that people call a conspiracy. I'm inviting you to come on over here, okay? We do have a YouTube channel with the same name as the hidden things in front of your eyes. Having said that, somebody said, Pimpy, the rate change happened. There's a change in the rate with the Vietnam dong. Guess what? Yes, there is. There has been. You ready? Congratulations. It went from 0.00043 to 0.0044. This obviously is not the change that we are looking for. We want a much bigger return on our currencies, and something's telling me it's coming up quicker than people know. So outside of that, what I try to do in these videos is bring to you other investment opportunities that can benefit you for after post rate change, okay? Techcombank achieves US dollars, by the way, 288.4 million, and that's profits before taxes in the first half of the year, which is not too shabby considering the Rona. Vietnam Technology and Commercial Joint Stock Bank, which is Techcombank, there you go, recorded before tax profits. Nobody cares about the Vietnam dollar value, but let's go to the USD, which is 288.4 million. In the first half of the year, representing 19% year-on-year increase and extended to 19 consecutive quarters of year-on-year revenue growth, despite continuing challenges due to the Rona. This is what I've been telling people for so long. We have the Rona out there. Vietnam, excuse me, a little dry throat. Vietnam, despite the Rona, has been able to thrive. I don't know what they were able to, I mean, I do know they've been very good about quashing any issues with the coronavirus. The reason why they're not even bigger and have a bigger economy and a bigger GDP and have gained more in profits is because despite the fact that in country they've been able to thrive, they were not able to deal with countries outside who were locked down due to the Rona. It's after tax profits, 5.4 trillion, that's dong, increased 90% over 4.5 trillion in the first half of 2019. The bank continues to lead the market with a healthy 2.9% return on assets ROA for the last 12 months, ended in June 30th, 2020. Capital position is strong with Basel II CAR at 16.9%. So this is Basel II. We all know that a lot of these banks need to get into Basel III, so we are watching that. Okay, so again, once again, the banks are something to invest in, but real estate to me is a bigger opportunity. Okay, so congrats to Vietnam. Despite the Rona, they continue to thrive in the market, and that's what I love every day about reading these things. I read them all the time. There's stuff I don't share with you guys because I just want to bore you with all this stuff, but it's important for you to know. And that is, what do you do with your money after the RV? You can screw it off and be broke within, you could be one of the 86% of people who are broke within 5 months. You could be millionaires. History tells us that once you come into that type of wealth, if you don't invest properly, that 86% of all people within 5 months are flat broke. Don't be one of them. I'm trying to show you other things outside of the currencies that we are invested in. Vietinbank posted, here's another bank, 319.6 billion in profits before taxes. Another bank. So the funny thing is this, I do own stock shares in Iraq, and a lot of our shares are in the banks there. They really are. And the banks seem to thrive in that type of environment. So this seems like if you want to look at something outside of real estate, although I would not go outside that realm when it comes to Vietnam, banks are another area you can think about, all right? Vietinbank, listed on the CTG, posted pre-tax profits for more than 7.4 trillion, which comes out to 319.6 million US dollars in the first half of the year, representing a 40% year-on-year increase. So here is another bank showing you for year-on-year, first half of 2020, seeing pretty good size increases in profits. We all know why. Thanks to the trade war between the United States and China, as well as China giving the world a special lovely gift known as the Rona. And everybody is leaving China to come and do business in these other countries that make up, or I should say border the South China Sea, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, Taiwan, Thailand. So all those countries are benefiting from this. Vietinbank announced its financial report saying that in the context of a weak growth in net interest income due to the reduction of lending interest rates to support customers in a non-credit business segment showed positive growth rates. So let me get this straight. I love how they do this. They try to make it sound like it's not that big of a deal, but they're telling you that for year over year, there's a 40% increase, but they're like, well, you know, we could have done better, which is true. They could have done better had there not been the Rona. Okay, you guys. So look, again, Vietnam, man, is very, very impressive. But if you said, hey, Pimpy, I'll put a gun to your head, I'm going to go real estate. That's the best investment. So this particular article right here, I will leave a link to it because it does cover a huge amount of Vietnam business headlines for July 30th. And in here, you can see how long this article is. And it covers a ton of things you should be interested in reading about when it comes to investments it goes on and on. What I love about this, it's talking about all of the trades, the new trade agreements that they have with people around the world. Chile, the EU, the UK, Mexico, Canada, the US. I mean, there is a ton of different trade agreements that's only going to make Vietnam's economy that much more stronger. I don't want to regurgitate all this stuff, but I'm just showing you. Look at this: Canada, Mexico, Peru. These are all these different opportunities that are there's trade agreements with Vietnam, and they're only going to make their economy stronger. So what's that mean when it comes to the Vietnam Dong? That is this: if the stronger the economy, the stronger the currency. And if the United States continues on the path that they are, the currency dollar is going to devalue. That means that the Vietnam Dong is going to increase in value versus the US dollar. Feel me? US, Canada, Australia have been familiar with Vietnam's Mongols. Look, there's a ton. If you go down here, you're going to see all the different countries now doing business with Vietnam. This should catch your attention. It's important. Norwegian companies, Korean, Italian companies, China still. Do you see all the countries now doing business with Vietnam? There's a reason why I'm telling you. For me, real estate is the biggie over there. As they continue to grow, look at Cambodia. As they continue to grow over their economy, people are looking for bigger office spaces. They're looking for ways to expand. Japan, I'm showing you, look at all the opportunities here. It's Vietnam is going to be experiencing a boom like no other for the next 5-10 years. That's my long-term investment. That's where I'm going personally. What you do is up to you. I'm just saying, right now, I'm just showing you that not only is the currency going to increase in value, especially against the US dollar, as US dollar weakens. Plus, let's talk about the fact that US Dong, or not the US Dong, but the Vietnam Dong is still now on its third consecutive report for currency manipulation. They can get away with it right now. Once Trump is back in office, things are going to change in a big way. I still think things are going to change when it comes to gold and silver very, 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 very soon. All right? The links will be in the description. For all you first-timers buying precious metals on Money Metals, if you spend more than $100, which I will encourage you to do so, if you put in the promo code Pimpy, you will get a free ½ ounce of silver. All right, you guys, Vietnam is looking very good. It is both my short and long-term investment. All right? Anyways, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. I'll catch you later. Bye.